And you didn't triple the shit. Face so clean, don't be coming out. By the 19. You little new nigga was that tall, but I had to check. They say, shot it, why you running? I say, he's trying to make it back. Hey, yo, dirty 19, with no mother and cheese. Got no children, I'm the boss. Into the south, I think I won, I know you lost. You lost your gun, don't got the bitch, you know in my P.O. Hey, big ear around my wrist. Ever since I left that bitch, hold up, my life been like everything like chilling with a fire and bitch, whipping a fire and whip, everything I just lit.
60 dick hypnotized mind. I put that on my mama, baby, if you think I'm lying.
So what's your gonna do? So what's your gonna do? So what's your gonna do? Look it up, then. I had him running, bro. You ready? Birthday girl. Where my Virgos at? You better go head on, Virgo. You better go head on, Virgo. Make her get that money right. She dropped the real hell on your ass. She said it's on me.
I love this song. She's shaking my titties. She's popping her ass. Spending my cash.
Let's go.
Spending it fast. Cause I want to fuck. And don't give a fuck. Acting this on my purpose. Thinking these girls I can't balance them. Taking these girls make me elevate. And the boy with his life too easy. I'm a young nigga money good.
If I hit the Lexus guy, I'm a motherfucking rocket. I ain't got no fucking heart. I can't be loyal to you, whore. You ain't heard from the start. Girl, I wanna see you work. I got a bitch out of China.
Yeah.
She eat my dick like a diamond.
Yeah.
Diamonds on me, a body. Keep it like this. Plus that whip at the light.
My fucking Caribbean. Feel like that chain up and into your bitch again. For the racks, I might just commit a sin. I'm about to log on fucking the 20.
Okay, Carter.
I wanna fuck a Kardashian.